This is 7 days ginger oil and this is Vivek 7 days ginger oil. What are the difference between those two? I've been using this one for long. This one I've been using about 2 months. So I'll tell you in detail which is you should get it, because the ginger, they both with made ginger, but it's different, smells different, and when you take it out, put it on your hand, it's different. And by the way, it's been long, like last few years, I researched so much because I was losing hair myself. And if you are losing hair like recently, like 2 3 years, and if you lost like 20%, 10%, 15%, then definitely I would recommend something like natural, not chemical, to put on your hair. Try with something natural, like ginger is really good for hair. So that's why I always wanted to try something like natural before I go for, there's a lot of strong chemical, like shampoo and everything. I have some of the like natural shampoos in my playlist. You could check all hair regards, because I researched for the last few years, and few of them, most, like everything you see there, I used personally myself and helped me. So you see the pictures, like, some of the pictures I put that I was really losing hair really fast. So this one is 7 day ginger. If you open it, it's kind of like, this is how it looks like. I don't know if you could see it. I would say like it's not like oil, like it's a serum, but it's when you put it on your hand, it's like, it's very light, very light. You use it once a day. So I use it when I start using this one, like first 2 weeks your hair grow really fast. Not new hair, I'm talking about your existing hair. And whatever the like small little hair is really hard to grow in your skull, those are growing like it was growing really fast. But some reason after using like a month or two, it didn't work that well after that. But there's another ginger oil product. If you're gonna get this, you have to use with it. So then I saw this Vivek, I think I'm pronouncing it right, Vivek 7 day ginger oil, this one. So another video I'll definitely tell you the other the ginger that you should use it in your shampoo. Any kind of shampoo you're using, you have to put that in few drops. That would really help regrow your hair. And you have to use it for a long time, and these are cheap. I have the link in description box. You could check it out, the products of the 7 day. So this one is the Vivek. This is how the bottle gonna look like. So the box looks like this. So this is how the bottle, but when I take it out, this smells much more stronger than the 7 day. So it smells like, I feel like he had a more ginger in this one than this. So anyway, you use it before, like about 2 hours before taking shower. Usually I use it when I come home. Then after, like, I know I'm gonna take a shower, like 2 hours before you take it, you put it. This one comes like this, so you put it exactly, a little bit wherever you need it, because this bottle is not that big. This is a small bottle. So if you're gonna use it, this is probably gonna be good for, like, depending on how often you're using it. If you're using it every other days, then definitely I would say this is probably gonna be good for a month. So you need to get at least two. It's like $4 or $5. It's really cheap, but it's not about being cheap. It's the natural, is ginger. So this is the first thing. Like I said, if you already lost 50% of your hair, then I don't think this product for you. Like, you need to go for something different, or transplant or whatever. But if you're like recently start losing hair, so you're gonna use it, like, if I use it every other day, and it's not like when you wash it out, you're gonna smell anything, ginger or anything. So this is how it's gonna use it. So I use this one for a long time, but now I switch it to this. This is not a bad product, but I feel like, for me personally, this is better than this. So again, now I don't know if you heard this. This product is been out there for long. It's called. This is how the packet looks, right? Andira has been pretty famous for a long time. If you didn't know, so it's a hair growth essence. So this one, what do you do? I would personally tell you to get like a not a chemical shampoo. Get like a I use, like, if you check in my playlist, biotin shampoo. Biotin shampoo is like, biotin, like people take pills, biotins, good for your skin and health. So I use that. So what I do, I put like 4 drops. If you get like 10-ounce bottle shampoo, you would put like 4 drop on it. And if you get like 20-ounce shampoo, then put like 8 or 10 drop on it. Just shake it well, and that's it. And this is like $3 probably, and I have the link in description box. So this is, I'm been using, like, I get like 5 bottles it's more than a year for me, you know. So so this one, you put it in, you shake it well, and this is very strong ginger. And some reason when you use that in a shampoo, and if you use one of those 7 days ginger or this Vivek 7 days, you know, use it. I'm telling you, it's personally for me is working. It's, you know, you grow your hair really really fast. So if you know thinning out, and definitely you're gonna see regrow your old hair. And if you use it long enough, because listen, these products, you're gonna see short time, you're gonna see your hair regrow. But if you want to see some new hair to come out, then you gotta use it for a long time. Like I said, I get it, this one like is probably gonna good for like if you're using only 4 or 5 drops, so it's for gonna last a long time. And these one probably gonna be for 1 month. So if you see 3 to 6 months if you use it, and like I said, if you lost your 15-20% hair, then definitely these things should work for you, because everybody's situation is different. But if you lost 40-50% of your hair already, I don't know, highly unlikely this is gonna work for you, but you can give it a try. So if this video was really helpful to you, please hit the like button. Thank you so much.